Yo, so I haven't recorded anything for a while, and so I'm trying to break the streak by doing something hopefully easy. We'll see what happens. Had a buddy of mine send in a Pokemon Crystal. So, Crystal, it's a European version for comparison. I have my wife's copy. So, relatively similar. Hers is USA, so hopefully I won't get them mixed up, but battery's missing in this one, but that should still play. I'm gonna show you what it should look like real quick. I have a Game Boy Color that I fixed a while back. It just says a dead speaker now, so there won't be any sound, but okay, got Game Freak, and we're started up. So let's see what's going on with this one. Game Boy, Nintendo, and then nothing. Okay, so this one's good, this one's bad. Apologize for the sporadic nature of this channel. If I'm heavy at work, I just don't have the wherewithal to do anything when I get back. So we've got a game bit, the smaller game bit. Slides open, boom. And now we have this case, good shape. Give it a clean and some alcohol and make it nice and clean without ruining the label. And then the board. So, overall, just looking at it, it's in remarkably good shape. I honestly think this should be pretty quick, but let's put it under the scope and see what's going on. Going under the scope, we'll just do a quick look around the whole board, see if we can find anything that is worth fixing. Try not to do any more work than we don't have to. If you've seen my Pokemon Blue video, you know that I can get kind of carried away. So, got some flux, nothing crazy. It's just a workmanship thing. Clean your flux up. Didn't cuss. Test on the leads. I'm not gonna focus on joints actually. I'm just gonna go through and look for traces first. I can retend anything that I need to. I have seen a lot of videos where these pins right here, like for some reason they're just like specifically not, yeah, you can see that one's moving a little bit. So that's the business end. The cartridge comes in and out right here. These get a little bit of flex on them. If there is a little bit of liquid damage, this is where it's gonna come in through typically. If someone opened it and put the plastic back down, if they're not careful, you'll scrape against this section and you'll end up weakening these traces, so. Traces look good all on this side of the board. This is actually part of the testing, I think, and they drill this out at the end. It disconnects all this stuff. I haven't looked at actually what these pins map out to. Might be a little side hustle to do an RE on it. I know a lot of people have done the work, but it'd be fun to do it myself. This should boot without the battery in, so no problem there. Okay, other side. These really fine traces, they can take a lot of abuse. Well, they can't take a lot of abuse, honestly. Oh, okay. That's a broken trace. Okay, we'll mark that one and come back. That looks alright. We'll measure those two and see what we end up with. So, that's the old beeper. Okay, so that goes up 1. So that means this one goes to probably here. Where's it gonna go? Jesus. Oh, that's the broken one. I'm so fucking stupid. Yeah, okay. Okay. So, looks like this is our big problem child here. And honestly, it's just close enough to where I might be able to just do a quick bridge and not have to put a little piece of wire there. We will see. Pull this off a bit. Yeah, I mean, I should be able to bridge that. Use my hot air gun to okay. Perfect. I'm freezing cold right now, so I'm probably shaking my ass off. Times usually when I tip the width of the, oh, that might be close. Okay, so now I'm on the flux. So you can see why it's gonna be close. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to bridge it with something. Okay. It is about yay long. Again, you should feel comfortable just going over your fix like this. What you shouldn't do is like straight up rip it off, because what I did was I ripped the trace off. So you saw I had to make a longer wire, which, you know, pretty much a rookie move. Sorry, Peter. You know, you have a 0.5 millimeter less OEM board. So it's BB time. Okay, so let's just double check this trace down here so that we just have to resolder mask it because it looks okay. So we're gonna go out from underneath this. I don't even have my Tupperware. I gotta solve that. I'm gonna go get some Tupperware. Ah, all is right with the world. Fiance didn't even say anything. Wife, I'm married. Hi. Whoop. Extra tip, you just do it. No, that one's for me. All right. Going back under this guy. Oh, this side looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and give the whole treatment. Boop, boop, ba-doop, ba-doop, boom. Bow, ba-ba-dow, ba-ba-dow, ba-ba-dow. Okay, there it goes. Another Tupperware. Get the demons out. The power of Christ compels you. Burn the fuck out of your hand. Ow. The board looks really good. And then now we'll paint the tiniest amount of solder mask. Let's go printer paper. I don't know if I got enough solder mask though. Okay, so dab, double dab, and that's it.
That's all there is to it.
There we go. They just had that research paper come out. It says like UV salons give you melanoma or whatever. Ah, fuck. And we do this a couple times. Okay. Okay. Let's check and see. Oh yeah, that's good. This is still wet. I'll put that over there and forget about it. And now we have this board. All that we have left is the battery. Here we go. Then we put it back together. And we'll save a file on there. Probably with a quirky name. I don't know how the save files work on here, but if I can leave a little treat in there for them, that's the way I'd like to do it. So, there's that. There's that. Okay. Shit, yeah. Oh my god, you can't see shit. There you go, you can see a little bit. Zoom through all this. I just want to see if I can put a shitty name on here and see if the save file works. There we go. Continue. Player love feed. Perfect. Okay. It works. We're good. So just want to say I want to try to get more videos and stuff out. If there's something you want to see fixed or anything else, let me know. I think I'm going to be putting out a Dragon Quest review at some point here in the next, I don't know, 40 months. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day. Okay, well, I just fucked up.